Hi everybody, and welcome to this conversation with Oxford TEFL and Preply.
So we are a marketplace for online learning and teaching, and we connect tutors with hundreds of thousands of students online and globally. And so, yeah, basically we are leaders in our market because we have this huge global reach, and we have a lot of different subjects that students can learn and tutors can teach, and we leverage everything in AI-powered tools. And what we always say is that we take out the boring part from teaching, out of teaching. So yeah, basically we help you with everything from invoicing and calendars and finding your students, and you can only worry about just teaching.
It's pretty easy to create a profile on Preply as a tutor. You record a video, you create an introduction, and then you get access to everything that Malena has mentioned: calendars, scheduling, invoicing, finding students, all the things that I really hated doing when I was teaching, and I just really wanted to focus on my students instead.
I'll introduce myself as well. I'm Duncan Foord. I'm the director of Oxford TEFL. We've been around for 26 years, training teachers. We train Spanish teachers and English teachers, and both at the certificate level, or the CELTA level, which is for beginner teachers, and diploma level, which is for advanced teachers. And in between, we have a lot of teacher development courses which you can do online, or in some cases, face-to-face. And our training courses are, really aimed at kind of getting people set up for any kind of challenge they're going to have in teaching. And traditionally, training courses were sort of preparing people for group classes and face-to-face classes, but that's not the case anymore. So if you do a course with Oxford TEFL, you're ready to teach online, teach face-to-face, teach one-to-one, teach groups. We aim to kind of make the whole thing work, because we understand that afterwards people are going to work in different contexts, different places. A lot of people want to travel, a lot of people want to work remotely. And a lot of teachers, are interested in working with schools like yours, where you can teach one-to-one, you can teach online.
So one of the things that we do is Oxford TEFL invites our tutors to join their lessons with teachers in training for free. And this is a great opportunity, of course, for the teachers in training to earn experience, and also for our tutors to sort of be in the students' shoes and see how other tutors can teach, and maybe like even learn some tools or tips, and also connect with other fellow teachers.
These are lessons with teachers in training. Like Anita was mentioning, when she did her course here, when teachers do their course, they need people to practice on. And therefore, we need kind of volunteer students. Sometimes we charge them a small amount, and sometimes we give them the class for free, which is the arrangement we have with Preply. So at the moment, that's either in Spanish or in English. You can sign up for a course, which could be 30 hours or more with trainee teachers. So do take advantage of that offer. It is free.
Then Oxford TEFL also offers €50 discount for their courses to our tutors. So the idea here is, of course, to help them take these courses and improve their teaching careers and their skills. Something that is also really cool that we do together is joining each other conferences. So last year we hosted our 3rd annual online teaching conference. This is a huge event that we do, and we invite our tutors and externals. Just to give you a little bit of context, last year we had around 25,000 registrations. So it's super big, and it's held in 3 days, and it's aimed to, again, help these tutors learn a wide range of things, and for them to improve their careers. And one of the things that we did was inviting prestigious organizations to this conference. So this is where you guys came in.
Our conference is 150 people, but it's face-to-face in Barcelona. So if there's any Preply teachers out there who are in or near Barcelona or want to fly out, it's a different experience. It's equally enjoyable. It's a lot of fun, but it's face-to-face. So it's a kind of networking event as well. But again, there's prestigious speakers, and we hope to see Preply there this year as well.
One of the biggest challenges is finding students. So we take care of that, so you have access to a huge pool of students that can take a look at your profile and see if you're going to be a good fit for them. And not only the challenge of acquiring them, but also retaining them. So we do have a subscription model in which we can help you maintain your students and build long-lasting relationships with them. And also, yeah, again, just to not to repeat myself, but not only we help you with acquiring your students and the whole like bureaucratic or business part of teaching, but also helping you with professional development and learning, and also connecting with fellow tutors.
Okay, guys, anything else you want to say to the folks before we finish?
Just want to say, if you want to give it a try and see what Preply is like, what we can offer, how you can access all the things we've mentioned, including the collaboration with Oxford TEFL, the free course, the academy, everything we've mentioned, then we're going to include a link around the video and you'll be able to sign up and hopefully join us too.
Great stuff. Lovely talking to you. As Anita says, click on the links below to find Oxford TEFL, to find Preply, and see all the courses and free courses that we're offering, and find out a bit more about Preply and Oxford TEFL. Okay, take care. See you guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.